Hey, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and if you're interested in being a professional content creator, influencer, or live streamer, I'm going to explain exactly how to make money while doing that. So, there are a lot of different types of people who make money by growing a following online, and there are different words to describe different classes of them, like influencers, streamers, content creators. And generally what they do is provide content, and these days most of it is video content, which is educational and or entertaining in some way to the extent that lots of people want to follow them and watch their content and sometimes buy things that they recommend or buy things from them. Common examples of this include being a YouTuber, being a live streamer, which you can do on Twitch or on YouTube or on other platforms, being an Instagram influencer or an Instagram model, being someone who covers news and culture in a specific niche like sports, which you can do on Twitter or Facebook or pretty much anywhere else. And there are lots of other types of content creators out there. And in fact, technically, I'm a content creator. Most brands would think of me as either a micro or a nano influencer. I don't have a ton of followers, but because I'm in business to business and I sell services and I sell software products that have recurring subscriptions, I can actually make pretty good money with a pretty small audience. Whereas someone who does, for example, entertainment news might have a harder time consistently selling something to their audience, which is why those types of creators often tend to rely too much on ad revenue. And if you're on YouTube, YouTube pays decent ad revenue if you start getting popular enough, but most other platforms don't provide a ton of compensation just for being popular on their platform. Most of them do have some sort of compensation for that, but it's not always enough to make a living, even if you have a pretty significant following. So the 6-step process that I'm going to dig into right now is a simple way that the vast majority of content creators and influencers can build sustainable income. All right, so the first step is to grow a dedicated following by focusing on creating content on one platform. And if you're already really good at creating content and or you're really good at using social media, then you might be comfortable starting on multiple platforms, and in some cases that would be okay. But for most people, if you're just kind of learning how to create content and you're just kind of learning how to use social media as a creator, it's probably going to be better to focus on one platform because that's going to let you get to know what works there and build an initial following there. And once you have a decent community around you on that platform, you can use that to promote and grow other platforms as well. And once you start to generate a decent amount of traffic on one or more platforms, you're going to want to start sending it to your own digital property where you can build a list. So building a list typically refers to an email list, but it can also be something like push notifications or an SMS marketing list. I recommend starting with email because it's really just so that you have a way of getting in touch with your audience, even if your account gets suspended on your main platform or if the platform has an outage or anything like that. And depending on what kind of audience you're growing and what they're interested in, you may also be able to promote stuff to them via email marketing backend. And so I've got a little diagram here of this. And getting people to give you their contact information like that is called lead generation, which is why I have this 2-page lead generation funnel here. And so traffic is just people doing stuff on the internet. And so when you start getting enough people following you and paying attention to you on your platform of choice, then you can start directing some of that traffic to your own page, which can look something like this. So you would have your name and a picture of you. And they can tap this to fill out the form and get on your email list. This could be a link to a product that you recommend. And then you can have your social medias down here. And I built this landing page on System, which is a marketing software with a forever free account. And I'll put a link in the description where you can get a free copy of this landing page when you sign up for System. And so if you want to get a copy of this, just follow that link and sign up for a free account. And this should be automatically loaded into your account. And so once you send traffic here and they give you their contact information, they go to the next page, which is basically the same page. It just doesn't have the form on it. And you can recommend products there and send them to all your various social media properties. And then one of the easiest things to do once you start generating a good amount of traffic on the platform and building up a list is to promote affiliate offers. Now, a lot of people, when they get into being a content creator or an influencer, they tend to think that they're going to get approached with lucrative sponsorships from brands right away. And sometimes that can happen if you get really big in a new niche or something like that. But most brands are not going to give really good sponsorship deals to a new, fairly small, untested creator. So if a brand is approaching you when you're still pretty small and still pretty new, you're really going to want to pay attention to the details of their offer because some brands will reach out claiming that they're offering a sponsorship when what they're really doing is making you an affiliate offer And while being an affiliate is a good thing, it's a great way to make money, it's not the same or as beneficial for you as getting a sponsorship. And just to briefly explain, the difference between affiliate marketing and sponsorships is that with affiliate marketing, you only get paid when someone does something via your affiliate link. So usually that's a sale, and when you make a sale via your affiliate link, then you would get a commission, which can be a percentage of the sale or it can be a fixed rate. Now, sponsorships do sometimes include commissions, meaning you may be getting an affiliate commission on sales made via a sponsorship, but technically a sponsorship means that they are paying you to promote their offer, which makes it sponsored content. That's a different type of relationship than you just joining their affiliate program and promoting it for a commission. So most people are probably going to start with affiliate marketing, and then as you get bigger, you may get some sponsorships. And having a proven track record of making money as an affiliate marketer is actually something that is very appealing to potential sponsors because they're going to be looking for people who can make sales. And so you can promote affiliate offers via your email once you start building an email list, and you can also promote them in your content, or you can put the links on your landing page or in your link tree or anything like that. And then as you start to build up a history of earning money as an affiliate marketer, you can start to negotiate for better affiliate deals. And not all brands are going to be open to negotiating to give you a better commission, but some definitely are. And you can also start trying to make yourself available for sponsorships at that point. And the other thing that you can do at that point, which I definitely recommend, is that you can start to create your own offers that replace or enhance some of the affiliate products that you promote. And if you get to the point where you're generating a decent amount of traffic and you start promoting both recurring and one-time offers that your audience loves, then you can absolutely build a very good full-time income as a content creator or influencer. Now we're going to look at 3 examples of where you can find affiliate programs to join for 3 different niches, which will be travel, wellness and beauty, and fitness. And if you're having trouble figuring out what you might promote to your audience, you can get a copy of this spreadsheet. So this is a Google Sheet. And as long as you have a Google account or a Gmail account, then you just need to be signed into that, and you can go to File and make a copy, and it'll copy it into your Google Drive, or you can go to download and download it as a PDF or a CSV or whatever file type you want. And then based on what you already know about your audience and information that you can gather by talking to some of them or by having a survey, you can fill out this customer avatar worksheet, which is going to tell you a lot about them and the kind of things that they would be looking to spend money on. And then once you've done that, you can go to the second page, which is right here. And this is just a simple spreadsheet for designing what I call a minimum effective marketing strategy. So the link to my Facebook group will be in the description. Just go ahead and join that, and this spreadsheet will be waiting for you in there. And so the first niche that I wanted to look at is travel. Travel is, of course, a very popular niche when it comes to social media content and YouTube content. Lots of people like to see videos and pictures of different places. And so the website that I'm on right now is called MaxBounty.com, but there's lots of other websites, including the 2 that I'm going to look at next, which also have travel affiliate programs. You can see there's tons of affiliate programs on here for flights, as well as hotels and other lodging, and I think that there's also some for like suitcases, and you won't have any trouble finding travel related affiliate programs. So there's all kinds of things that you can join there. And the same is true for wellness and beauty. So the platform that I'm on here is called Impact. It's impact.com, and this is actually my dashboard. You can see this is a Lover Fighter Writer. It's me. And I've got almost $300 in here right now. I don't promote a lot of products on Impact, but I do promote a few kind of passively. So it just kind of stacks up and I get a payout once in a while. And so you can see I just went to categories and bath and beauty. And there are tons of influencers and content creators that focus on all different aspects of wellness, health, and beauty. I've seen everything from channels that are just women putting makeup on, all the way to medical doctors talking about biohacking and stuff like that. And there are plenty of wellness and beauty related affiliate programs that you can join. So the one that I wanted to take a quick look at is called Biome here. You can see that they give a 15% commission on online sales and a 15% commission on recurring subscriptions. And that's really good because a 15% commission on e-commerce products is pretty high. And most e-commerce stores don't do recurring commissions. They just do the first sale. And so this is actually a pretty lucrative program right here. And I actually pulled up their website just to check out the kind of things that they have. And they have a whole bunch of different types of supplements like kind of like biohacking stuff, as well as probiotics, which is like for digestion to make sure that you have healthy gut and get the most out of your food. Lozenges, I guess, for maybe when you're sick. And again, that's just one affiliate program. There's tons of these programs in here. And this is just on one platform. This is impact.com. There's health and wellness and beauty programs on other platforms. And the last one I wanted to look at was fitness. And so in this one, I'm in ShareaSale. I don't promote very many things on ShareaSale, but much like Impact, the commissions just kind of stack up over a couple of months, and then I get a check. And I just went into their fitness category, and I found this one called Stroops, which has a 10% per sale commission. And then I pulled up their website here, and you can see they have all kinds of different stuff. Like they have, like free weights and storage, other types of accessories, but then they also have cardio machines like this. And so if you get a 10% commission on a $3,000 or $4,000 sale, then that's like $300 or $400. And you can most likely also find fitness subscription programs like fitness apps or online personal trainers where you would get a monthly commission. So there are tons of options in the fitness industry as well. All right, that was a quick but hopefully fairly thorough overview of how to make money as a content creator or an influencer. If you have any questions or you need more help, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me. And remember to check the description so you can get a hold of the resources that I mentioned.